Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about uploading a physical book into Amazon KDP. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, have you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Now in today's video, we're going to be looking at publishing the book that we've created into Amazon KDP. So we have the cover right here, and if you remember, we also created the interior. Now there's a 400-page interior. That was yesterday's video, and if you want to see that, we'll have the link in the top part above later on. Anyhow, right now we have got this particular one, and we're going to now save this as a PDF. Now what I normally do in this particular case is I have this icon here. Now if you don't know how to get that icon on there, all you really need to do is click on here, go down here to where it says more commands, click on that, then go over here to popular commands, go down here to all commands, wait for this to shrink, and then we scroll down to save. We'll go all the way down to S where it says save as. You click on that, send it across to here, and then we hit OK. But because I already have it, I don't have to do that. So all I need to do is click on that. There are other options, but that's probably the easiest way I know how. And what I'm going to do is I've already saved it as that for the actual journal. So what I'm going to do in this particular case is I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to click up here to where it says PDF. Click on that, and this is now going to save this as a PDF file. Now this will take a little bit because it's over 401 pages, so we may have to pause the video until this is finished downloading. We'll have to wait and see. Alright, now it appears to have finished uploading, so that's good. Didn't take long at all. And as you can see, this is the journal. We'll just scroll down. There's a prayer journal, there's the line journal, prayer list, and then the line journal again, and then once again we have all that. So we're ready to now head on over to Amazon KDP. Let's head on over here right now. Now the first thing we need to do is consider going over here to where it says hardcover. As you can see, you've got Kindle ebooks, and you've got paperback, and then you have hardcover. So when you log into Kindle Direct Publishing, this is where you'll be brought to. So you go straight to there, click on the hardcover section, click on that, and we have to just wait a moment until it comes up. Now it's very, very similar to the paperback. It's very, very similar to the paperback. So let's just get this part started. This one here, if I can remember the name of the interior, Mighty... Oh, I've changed the name a little bit from yesterday too. I had Mighty Man of God Prayer Warrior, but I've decided to call this one Mighty Man of God Prayer Journal. It made more sense because that's what it is. And what we're going to do is we're going to call this one Mighty Man of God Prayer Journal. And that will do. There's no subtitles, so we're not going to be adding it to a series. We don't really have an edition number, so we don't have to worry about that. Now we can have here, I'm going to be using my name. And then we can scroll down to here. We don't have any contributors. And this is where you can add a description. I'm just going to pause the video while I grab a description to pop in here. It'll be basically the same blurb as what I put into the video onto the back of the book yesterday. Alright, so that will do. And then we can go here. I own the copyright and hold necessary publishing rights. That's good. Okay, and then what we can do is start looking at doing some. So what we're going to do is go back over here to BookBolt, and then we can go down to keywords. So we're just going to go here to keywords. We're going to go here to search, hit search, And then we can start putting in some keywords. And this particular one is men's prayer journal. And we hit search. Now this will take a moment, so I'm going to pause the video until it has finished. Okay, so as you can see, it's got here prayer journal for men, prayer journals, and then you got these, lots of these ones here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's also over here you've got men's prayer journal. So there's no data on that, but that might be worth checking out. This one's high. Let's see if there's any low competition. Okay, there's not a lot of searches, not a lot of results for this one. So I'm going to heart that one. Probably heart that one. Journal for men, prayer journal for men. Yeah, look, this looks like it'll be fine. Pretty much what we've got here is going to be what we are going to be needing to use anyway. So I might just have a look at these and add these to the list of different ones. So I'm just going to copy that, place that into here, and we could probably call that one prayer journal. Journals for men. Journal for men. We can call this one here. Prayer. Then we can go over here, journal, journaling. And this one here, it really should be different words. You probably shouldn't put journal in quite as much as you did, as I've done. But you can also add other words like journaling and so forth. That's a slightly different keyword. And Bible, journal for men. And believers prayer journal. That'll do it. Now I haven't done a very good job of this, but because for the sake of the speed of the video, I'll come back to this a little bit later and I'll fix this up a little bit better. And we can go choose the categories. Now I was watching a video the other day about a person who was choosing categories from a different section to what they would normally do. And I thought, yeah, a little bit risky, but then I saw the logic in what she was saying. So I'm going to try a little bit of that. So it's going to be on topic, but a little bit off topic at the same time. So I'm going to go down here, and instead of going Bible, I might look at doing business or something like that. Yeah, that'll do. Business. And let's have a look at going down here. And we can go have a look down here and see if we can find something that is similar to journaling. Probably go down here, see if we can find something that's coming close. And maybe leadership perhaps. Yeah, leadership sounds like it might be okay. And then we can go down here and just keep looking to see if there's anything else that might be better. Personal success, maybe that might be better. We'll just do personal success and get rid of leadership. Personal success, because in your own personal life, if you're a spiritual person and you read the Bible, that could be something that leads to your success. So it's kind of related. And then you can go down and have a look at other ones. You can have a look down here to nature, poetry, political science, religion. We can have a look at religion as well, because you probably want to keep it somewhere close to that. And then you probably want to go down here to have a look down here, biblical references, Bible study. There we go, biblical study. And then in this particular one, I would put this down as Bible study guide. Yeah, that'll do. And you click on that, and you hit save. Now, the one that I had, the first one I chose, was a little bit off topic, but apparently that's okay as long as it can be justified. Okay, are we doing large print? No, I think because it's 6x9, we'll just keep it as is. We'll go save and continue. Now this could take a moment. There we are. Okay, so we're going to be assign me a KDP ISBN. Well, I like to always do that. Yes, assign that. Now you can assign that later on at the end if you want to. Because once you assign it, you can't make changes. You can't change it up and so forth. You can't delete it if you made mistakes. So once you have that assigned, you're kind of stuck with it. So you got to be making sure and absolutely certain that you're okay with what you're doing. So publication date, we're going to make that today. White with white paper, 6x9, that's fine with me. And we're going to be having it with bleed. And then we're going to be making this a matte cover. Or we can make it a glossy cover, that's fine. Upload hardcover manuscript. Okay, so let's go here. I'm going to go and grab the manuscript now. Now the manuscript, in case you're wondering, is the, let's go back over here, desktop, it is the actual, it's the interior of the book. So let's go down here to prayer journal, because I have already saved this on my desktop. 401 page interior, that's it just there. And I will pause the video while it's uploading because it's quite large. It might take a while. No, wasn't that long at all. Now the interior. Now we need to click on this bottom one down here because we are uploading our own PDF. And this is where we're going to be uploading the actual cover itself. So let's upload this one. And we're going to be calling this, I think this one's the one we're looking for. Let me just double check that before I go ahead and do this. I want to just click off this for 1 second. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of that and try and find the one where it is, to be 100% certain that I'm in the right place. I don't want to be choosing the wrong one. And it is prayer journal, there it is. And I want to click on this one, making sure this is the cover, because I don't want to be grabbing the wrong one. No, that's the wrong one. I'm going to have to download the cover. Bear with me 1 second. And that's what we're going to be uploading here. So let's now go grab the let's upload our book cover. Grab that. Now we're going to be going the hardcover 6x9. I like to make it obvious for myself, because if I don't make it obvious for myself, I'm likely to put the wrong thing in the wrong place. So, once again, we're going to pause the video until this has finished. Okay, we're back. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to go have a look through here, check this box if the cover you published includes a barcode. No, we're not going to be doing that. Okay, so before we do that, let's go and have a look at the preview. So let's have a look at Launch Previewer. We're going to continue, and we'll have a wait and see what this is going to be like. I'll just pause the video until it has finished. Shouldn't take too long, but there it is. Oh, I didn't really have to pause it. That's good. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so let's go check over here. Everything seems to be fitting inside the bleed very nicely. Oh, that one's a little bit outside the bleed, but that's okay. Looking like it might be something we can improve anyway. It's not really a major problem. So that is fine. Yeah, no, I like the looks of that. I think that's good. Alright, so I think we'll approve this. I probably should try and make it that it stays inside the bleed, but I think it'll be okay. Alright, so I think I'm happy with that, and we'll just keep it as is. We'll hit approve. And now this is where we start. This is where the rubber meets the road. Let's shrink this down a little bit so we can see what we're doing. Okay, 100%. So we go down and see everything's actually in there. And the cover's all done. Now we've already done that. Let's now have a look at the pricing. We can save and continue. Now, one thing I will say is recently a rather large person from KDP, one of the large publishers, a woman who I'm actually subscribed to on YouTube, she had been banned a couple of times, but she is now back on it again. and because KDP's bots made a mistake. But just be aware that you need to keep an eye on what's going on, because you could lose your account if you're not careful. So just be prepared for that. Now, remembering minimum is between $17.70 to $250, so you need to have your price over $17. I think in this particular case, because it's a hardcover book and there's so many pages, $30 is not outside the realm of reality in this one. Okay, so printing costs is $10. Well, I'm only going to get $7.70 in royalties. Maybe if I take that up to $35 and see what happens. There we go. That gives me about $10 in royalties, which is a lot better than what it previously was. Now, you could take it down to $17.70, but you're not making anything if you do that. Just be prepared for that. And if you're going to be doing that, you need to be sure that you're going to do that, get everything you want, and you're going to be making some kind of profit on it. And as I said, because it's 401 pages, really, to be perfectly honest, $30 is not outside the realm of reality. So let's now hit publish your hardcover book. At the moment, we can see it's doing well. Start your ebook. No, we're not going to be doing an ebook, and that is it. So we've literally just created a book from on Saturday, uploaded a video about the cover. On Sunday we uploaded one on the actual interior, and today we have done it on the actual part of publishing. So if you, oh, by the way, joke time. Okay, it's joke time. A math teacher says to little Johnny, if you have $17 in one pocket and $27 in another pocket, what do you have? Little Johnny pipes up and says, somebody else's trousers, sir. If you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.